but it's a property. It's a property of the matter. And a property can be concerned with energy also. Electrons are having a certain type of charge and protons are having another type of charge. So this is the property concerned with the material, the matter itself. But if we go deeper, protons and neutrons are further composed of quarks, and quarks are further composed of springs which are vibrating with a certain frequency. So it is the difference of frequency which changes the property. So if you change the frequency, you can change the property of the substance. You can convert a proton into a neutron and a neutron into a proton. It's not a philosophical thing. There exist nuclear reactions. There are certain things called as the beta decay. And beta decay corresponds to the nuclear radiations. And in beta decay, there are two types of decays, beta minus and beta plus. In beta minus decay, neutron gets converted into proton and electron, and an antineutrino is emitted. And in beta plus decay, proton gets converted into neutron and positron, which is the antiparticle of electron. So it's very possible to change the property of a substance, but that change implies change in frequency of the vibrating spring corresponding to the protons and neutrons of that particular substance. And as every organism is fundamentally composed of atoms and molecules, which are further composed of electron, protons and neutrons, which are further composed of quarks, which are further composed of strings. So if we can change the frequency of the strings, we can change the proton and neutrons. If we can change protons and neutrons, we can change the atom. If we can change the atom, we can change the molecule. If we can change the molecule, we can change the DNA. If we can change the DNA, we can change the cell. If we can change the cell, we can change the tissue. If we can change the tissue, we can change the organ. If we can change the organ, we can change the organ system. And if we can change the organ system, we can change the entire organism. In ancient Indian mythology, there are descriptions when a person was